Hello everyone! Welcome back to our training program. Today, we'll see how banks and financial firms can use an automation flow to register cash flow movements and receive an alert about daily results. Let's start now. The first step is the flow configuration. Create a new flow. Choose a name to help you locate it among the others. Then, choose the way your trigger will activate. For our flow, we'll use a scheduler. We'll set it to start each day at 18 hours. That's the main window. Here, we'll create our flow. On the left, you can see the scheduler trigger, already set. We're going to add all the other applications to its right. Start searching the Google Sheet node Get Content, and put it on the plus icon. A configuration window will pop up and will ask you to set the document from which we'll take the movements of our cash flow, the sheet, in case there is more than one. Default option rows is what we need. All set, let's save it. We now need an iterator node to process the data we collected. In the configuration window, we'll add the values we'll iterate over. Again, save to proceed. Now, inside the iterator, we put a switch node to have multiple conditions, not just a true or false operation. As for the condition node, on the settings window, create the case 1. That we'll name outgoings. In the first field, put the value mov_type, maintaining the criterion is equal to, and writing the value that mov_type must match. Repeat the process creating an OR version. This way, the flow will proceed to the next step according to whichever option is true. Redo this process as many times as you need to use all your variables. Here, mov_type must be equal to cod.02 in order to be true. Remain inside the switch node and create the case 2. We'll call it incomings. Here, we want the value mov_type to be equal to the value cod.03. Below, add an alternative, this time using the AND criteria. exp_date must be equal to 11/03/2021. This way, we'll have only the data corresponding to cod.03 registered on a particular day. Save again. Now, in the row related to the outgoings, we want to add a math operation node to change the sign of numbers collected to negative. To do it, set the node choosing multiplication. Then write -1 in the blank field. Immediately after the operation node, insert the Google Sheet node, write values. It'll write the data captured in the case outgoings on the same document, but on the sheet DB. Save to continue. Then, in the incomings row, insert again the Google Sheet node, write values. Use the same settings, select the document, and make sure you choose the correct sheet. Then save. Outside of the iterator, use now a getValues Google Sheet node to capture the data written in the new sheet. Choose the document to use, the sheet to write in, then save it all. Take now the list node from the below list of operations. This node can operate on a set of data at once. For example, in this case, it will sum all the amounts in DB and generate a result that should be equal to 0 if our financial operations are correct. Use the condition to set up 2 different alerts. A positive alert will notify the administration or finance team with the daily check's outcome and further details in the text field. A negative alert will notify them that something isn't going as expected. Again, they will find more details in the text field. This flow about Cashflow check is finished. Hope you liked this video. If so, please share it with your friends and colleagues. Happy automation! See you soon!